Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to add Apple Card to NerdWallet. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Currently, NerdWallet does not support direct integration with Apple Card. This means you cannot automatically link your Apple Card to NerdWallet to track transactions or balances. However, you have couple of options, and what you can do is manually add your Apple Card to NerdWallet. To do it, head over and open up a NerdWallet app, and then be sure to be logged into your account as well. Now once logged into your account, what you need to do is navigate to the account manage section where you can add or manage accounts. Then what you need to do is select the option to add a new account and choose credit card as the account type. Then input your Apple Card information including the current balance and any recent transactions. Since this is a manual process, you'll need to update your Apple Card details regularly to keep your information correct. Note that this method requires you to input and update your transact manually, as NerdWallet doesn't automatically sync with the Apple Card. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.